Hello and welcome. My name is Amulya and you are watching TubeMint. In this video I'm going to show you how you can uninstall and install mariadb on Debian or Ubuntu desktop or Linux distro. So let's get started. I have this terminal up here and you can see I'm able to log into mariadb just with this. I had hard time installing the mysql server. This is why I switched to mariadb. It's way simpler, a little bit faster. So let's get started. But you can have other variant of SQL like Postgres. That is also a great option. A lot of people are switching from MySQL, mariadb to PostSQL. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove it and install it. So let's get started. First thing first, so I'm going to use gedit to remove .dbsh and paste everything here. So what I'll do, I have a script written. So what I will be doing, I'll be using ChatGPT to go ahead and write a bash script, and then instead of going to the website like copying pasting everything, we will be running the bash script to automate everything. So here we go. Very simple, so you know what I'm doing, and this makes my job easy. So I'm going to save it, and this is going to be saved. I can close it and then just go ahead and run this command. So I just do copy and paste, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this, rename it. So Maria remove db, if you remember. So that was the name of the file that we created. Now I can go ahead and run this command. Are you sure you want to proceed? Simply type yes, then type in the password, and it will do everything in one go. It will delete everything, like, and also remove mariadb database. So use tab to switch and then press enter, and this will remove everything. It will also do the cleanup. So removed, everything has been removed, you can see, completely removed. Similarly, so if I go ahead and clear the screen and just try to log in again, it's not there. So this time we are going to install it. Okay, so I already have written some script here that you can run. So get it, that's the mariadb sh which is going to install it. So just type bash. So what it has, let me quickly go ahead and show you. What I'll do, I'll leave the link to these two scripts, then you can go ahead and install, copy paste and save it on your desktop wherever you want, and then run it with bash. So it gives you two options, whether you want to install the default or the latest from the repository. So you can choose between 1 and 2. So I'll go with the latest one by typing 2 and pressing enter, and then it will ask for your password. I already have entered, given the password. So you can see it's going to do everything for you, and in a second it will be all done. Here we go. and here is your mariadb. It's just trying to set up everything for us. And okay, enter current password for root, enter for none. Okay, so for root we are going to have a password, so I'll type just password. Switch to Unix, just type Y. You want to change the root password? Yes, that's the password. What did I say? You already have your root password protected, so you can safely answer no. Okay, change the root password if you want to change the root password. So that was mistyped for me, it's just repeating once again, so that's good. I'm just going to give a password. Remove anonymous users, yes. Disable root login remotely, yes. Remove test database and access to it, yes. Reload privileges table now, yes. And you can see it says all done, it's completed. Now you can simply clear the screen, and you can also say mysql root and then password, and you are in, but that is deprecated. If you really like or used to mysql, you can create an alias, but that's absolutely okay. So I can go ahead and say mariadb root password, type in the password, and you have your mariadb installed. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.